What are you doing?
What else? Did you know the core of our health is truly on the inside? That's why I take new Trubiotics.
What are you doing?
That helps in two ways. One
Hakaka.
helps support digestive health. The other
Hakaka.
stay true to your
Hi. Ooh, pretty. Who's so pretty? Hi. Are you pretty? So pretty. I know. Hakaka. Yeah. What are you doing? Hi. What are you doing down? What'd you get down on the tree for? Huh? What are you down here for? What are you doing? What's Diesel doing? What's Diesel doing? What's Diesel doing? Huh? What's Diesel doing? Hi. You got stuff all over you because you were in your bowl. You got crumbs all over your nose. Are you dirty? You're dirty. Come here. Let's get it off. Yeah. Hi. Hi, Cashmere. Hi. Yeah. Good girl. What are you doing? Oh. Hi. Oh, how pretty. Are you singing? Let me hear. Sing. Sing again. Hi, buddy. Hi, Chanel. What are you doing, girl? Chanel. Chanel. Who is singing away? You are? Yeah. Oh. You're so funny. Hi. Sing again. Go ahead. Ready? Wow. Hi. Ooh. Fancy. 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 You are good. Hi, what's up? What's up? Mwah. Hi. So pretty. Hi. You dancing? You walking away? Why are you leaving? Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? You want to get back on your perch? Do me to put you back up there? Come on. Come on, get back up here. There you go. There you go. Yay. Good girl. Hey. Hey. Say bye. Say bye. Wave. Can you wave? Say goodbye. See you later. All right.